My hair texture is pretty curly, a little bit curlier in the back, and then the front kind of straightens up and gets a bit frizzy. It looks very dry and brittle, like especially towards the end. I've been using the Beachwaver Reparative Shampoo and Conditioner for the last few days. My hair definitely feels a lot softer and smoother, and definitely looks a lot shinier. I first used the pre-shampoo foam. I applied it, left it in for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I would shower using the reparative shampoo and conditioner. With the shampoo, I would focus more on my roots, and then the conditioner focus more on the ends because that's where my hair tends to feel the most brittle. Each product on the reparative line has the high X. This is what helps make your hair stronger. Each product also is paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. So the product smells really great. The Aroma Experience scent, it's called Bali Beach Night. It's very important for me to feel good and feel confident when getting ready for the day. And you know, my hair is something that I have struggled with as far as dealing with the texture of my hair. So I really like this product because I'm able to style my hair a little bit better. It's able to look a lot better than it would if I did not have any product in it. And it feels a lot softer and looks a lot shinier.